It's an ugly, windy morning, and Nikki is fussing at us to get going. Walk on. Good boy. We've added a side check this morning. Little man, I'm going to let you trot. Well, you settled down to walk. That's good news. It's all right. I know it's a jumpy day. Nothing like a little wind. Except that what we have is a lot of wind. It was not supposed to start blowing until 9 o'clock. So I trusted them and came out to drive. And my head keeps ducking because I keep looking to try and get my hood tied. Let's go this way, son. All the heavy stuff down here, so we can use the road. Alright, my hood is tied. I may survive. Basket. It's another one of those days I wouldn't want her up on the seat. I'm afraid she'll blow off. Thank you, Amy. Cool. It's okay, little man. Working trot. Scary things. Usually I have my side check attached to a different bit, but until we get this one somewhat adjusted, I'm not going to worry about a second bit. Yeah, I know. You want to sit down and cruise. I don't blame you. Watch out for the stupid dogs. Yes, I know. Oh. Maybe they aren't done with all the dusty stuff. To avoid all the heavy dust. That would be heaven. Right now I'm not worrying about speed. I'm not worrying about rhythm. He's a 2-year-old. It's windy. It's chilly. He needs to just burn off some energy. And as far as I'm concerned, that means we just go. And we don't like this piece of equipment, so we're going to make circles around it until it's no longer an issue. Now, let's not get stupid. Fast is one thing, stupid is another matter. And we're just going to have to hope the sheep are not down toward the fence today. I know that Amy's smart enough to stay away from those big guard dogs, but I don't know that Nikki is. running sprinkler. That'll be good. There we go. Yeah, I know those dogs are just being stupid, aren't they? That's the boy. Amy, stop it. She is not being helpful. She's really after Nikki this morning. Hey, there's Tippy. Hi, Tip. That should startle him. We've seen enough sprinklers that they don't alarm us anymore. That's wonderful. Okay. Tippy along. I think that means that we're going to go up part ways and then we'll just turn around and come back the same way. I'm not going to take a chance with him with those big guard dogs. Off to do their thing, and there goes Amy. Good boy. No, we are not keeping up with Amy. Let's see what we have up here. Looks like everything's the same, and that's fine with me. What a good boy. Are you ready to walk for a little bit? Let's walk. This is a hard day to do it, but we're going to give it a try anyway. Whoa, yeah. Stop moving. Whoa. Walk on. Working trot. You can see that my side check is not here tight. Over there on the fence line, very pale. It used to be in the south fence line, like just a few days ago. Good boy. Now, I want you to come back over. You know, it's way over there. It's not going to bother us. When it's windy like this, the farmers can't get out and do their spraying. There's delayed a lot. Now, if you go over the edge of that, it's going to make a crackly noise, and I'd better not do that on a windy day. What a good boy. Working trot. Amy's coming. Both happy that this boogers off. Now what do you see? By the wind has been strong enough to, whoa, big snake. believe it was a bull snake by the shape of the head. That was about all I caught on my little guy. Lying next to a stick. He probably thinks it made a mistake coming out like this. But it is supposed to get to 83 today. And I'm not hearing the dogs raising an alarm. Let's stay over here, please. Good boy. So, that's not too worrisome. Come over here. No, I don't want to go through the rough field. I want to stay on the smooth road. He likes to keep up with Amy. He likes to try and